understanding grew a forest from a tree. Blurred lines of fact or fiction has me standing in between. See the leaves are changing.
Serena got it. Look at you. Do you like regulars?
But
Hi, baby. You look unbelievable. Hi. You look so beautiful. I love your dress. I love you so much. Look at you.
Step back a little bit.
Look at you.
Isn't it good?
You look amazing. You look amazing. Yes. It's perfectly you.
Thanks.
I can't believe this is real.
Doesn't feel
Doing it in
real.
the backyard, like,
This doesn't feel real.
this is the dream.
You want to do our vows?
Yes. Do you want to go first or should I?
I'm going first.
Okay.
We met when we were only 20 and 19, and today is the day that we're getting married at 29. And to both of us, it's no surprise that we're standing here on this August day in our backyard. Today was never about if, but when.
Mm-hmm.
You agree?
Yeah?
Okay. I vow to stand by your side through every peak and valley, to cherish both the big milestones that we would check off together and the quiet everyday moments. A lifetime with you will never be enough, but together I know we'll make an extraordinary life, because it already has been. I am the luckiest girl to be loved by you. You are my home, my heart, and my soul. Together forever, you and me.
You got me, Shakespeare. You got me. That was amazing. Okay. Good morning, my love. Now the afternoon. Another morning waking up together in this perfectly imperfect life of ours. I'll be honest, when we first met at 19, marriage wasn't even a thought in my mind. But as the days, weeks, months, and years have gently drifted on, I knew I wanted nothing more than to be with you forever. Smiley face.
Oh, is that in there?
Right there.
Okay.
And so, Lauren Ann, first and foremost, I vow to love you unconditionally and with my whole heart. I vow to ground you when life seems too chaotic, to lift you up when you're down, and to celebrate with you at each and every peak. Finally, I vow to love you in this life and every life after, until death do us part.
Until death do us part.
I love you.
I think.
I'll meet you on the northern side, the empires of the end of time. We'll live through the centuries. Wait for me.
On behalf of Robbie and Lauren, thank you all for being here to witness and celebrate their marriage.
I'll meet you on the southern side.
The symbolic vows that you're about to make are a way of saying to one another, you know all those things that we've promised and hoped and dreamed? Well, I meant it. Every word.
Wait for me. I'll meet you on the northern side.
Today marks a turning point in your relationship. When you speak your vows, your bond transforms from something beautiful yet temporary into a lasting commitment meant to endure for eternity. Lauren, do you take Robbie to be your husband? Do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect him forevermore?
I do.
And Robbie, do you take Lauren to be your wife? Do you promise to love, honor, cherish, and protect her forevermore?
I do.
By the power vested in me by the state of Minnesota, it is my honor and delight to declare you married. You may seal this declaration with a kiss. I am so pleased to present Mr. and Mrs. Robbie and Lauren Ware.
Cheers up.
You're making me feel like I'm innocent. Yeah. All that I can do is say,
This looks so pretty. Like, this looks so good. You guys, who is the best wedding vendor?
Great job. Lauren and I feel incredibly lucky to be surrounded by the people we love most in the world. We truly hope everyone is enjoying tonight as much as we are. Let's make some memories and let's have some good food. Thank you again.
Lauren and Robbie have known each other for many years, experienced real-life events together, and have grown a strong bond that will withstand their future life challenges. We can only hope for a healthy, successful future for Lauren and Robbie. Please raise your glasses to toast Lauren and Robbie's future.
Lauren is actually perfect. You are thoughtful, you are caring, you are a wonderful, smart woman. I mean it from the bottom of my heart. Both of you will make such a great team together. Thank you everyone else for being here tonight.
Lauren, you have surpassed every expectation I've ever had. I'm so proud you're going to be a part of our family. Robbie, you have been the best big brother you could ever be, and I wanted to tell you that tonight. My love and support for you both goes beyond words. Cheers to the Wares.
Robbie, thank you for bringing out the spark in Lauren. I've never seen her as happy as she is when she's with you. I'm so excited to see what the future has in store for you both. So let's raise a glass to Lauren and Robbie and a lifetime of love and laughter. Now let's enjoy this open bar.